welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee Thompson. Thank you guys so much for joining me again this week. So as you have seen, it may be even if you follow me on Instagram, you see me posting before and after pictures. This year I started really focusing on my health, trying to get back in shape and things like that. So I'm gonna let you guys know what I've been doing, how I do it and how I incorporate it, and some other health tips that I've been doing to drop. I dropped 30 pounds, and I'm gonna insert this before and after picture here. As you can see, your girl was heavy, okay? And you know, it was a difference between like thick and then like thick fat. I was on that thick fat side. I mean, people, because of my height, people don't think that I look as big, but I knew I was that big. My husband knew I was that big. My husband, if for those of you who don't know, he is a strength and conditioning coach. And this is his profession, is health and wellness and weight training and getting the body to do things that it normally doesn't do. So I just didn't feel, it was one of those things, is like, how can he be a strength coach and then your wife looks like a walrus? So yeah, I just wanted to get healthier for myself. I noticed I didn't have a lot of energy. I didn't really have problems with blood pressure or things like that. But however, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes runs in my family. So it is something that I could be prone to doing if I don't watch what I eat. So these are my 5 tips. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so first things first, I changed the way I was eating. I know that's like the hardest thing, right? I had to take pressure off of myself when it came to eating. I had to find a diet that would work for me. I'm a mom. I got kids running around everywhere. And so when I'm cooking, I don't have time to cook. Some days I don't. Now, not to say that I don't prepare a lot of my meals. It's just that on some of those rush days where going to fast food is like just quicker or whatever, I had to learn to kind of scale back on that stuff. So what I did is, if I would go to fast food, I would have a cheeseburger. I would just have a cheeseburger. I'm not gonna get a full meal, and I'm not gonna drink my calories, which is gonna be my next point later. So one of the things that I started incorporating was intermittent fasting. I read up about it, and I had done it sometime in the past, back when I was training for competition. Insert that picture again, that was years ago. Don't know if I got time to do that no more. But I was really, really strict on my diet then, and I also had less kids at that point, so it was a little bit easier to follow. However, it was something that I knew that I could do, and I have done it before, and I knew I got results from it, so I decided to go back on it. Basically, with intermittent fasting, you're fasting for a majority of your day. So when I say majority of my day, I fasted for 16 hours. So normally they say for women you need to fast anywhere between 15 to 16 hours to kind of get your body accustomed to it. So what I would do, 8 hours out of my day, I literally ate. That was my window to eat. So if I stop eating at 6, or if I start eating at 8, I didn't eat again until 12. And that's how I did it. So yes, 8 was a good time for me because it's right after the time I'm getting kids into bed and I need to be going to bed myself. Intermittent fasting also made me go to sleep. Another thing is, if you can't eat after 8 o'clock, there's no reason for you to be up. And I'm a night owl. I like to be up, but I like to stay up, watch TV, things of that nature. Things I can't do when my kids are sitting up under me, so that's what I like to do. 8 was a good time. You can pick a time that works for you. If you do 6 o'clock, then at 10 o'clock you can eat. If you do 7 o'clock, then at 11 o'clock you can eat. So basically, you're gonna fast for your full 16 hours. That's the key. 16 hours a day, you're fasting. And within your 8-hour window, that's when you're eating. So even with doing fasting, you are going to lose weight, right? I highly recommend you read up on intermittent fasting. It's really, really good. You don't have to fast every day. However, they do say to at least try and do 3 or 4 days a week. And on the days that you're not fasting is the days that you need to eat your absolute healthiest, so you can see those numbers start to move on the scale. Also, when you're eating in your 8-hour window, don't try to go crazy, okay? You still need to be drinking. I drink lots and lots of water. I'm talking about tons of water. One, because I work out, but two, you know, the water is what's going to help you flush that fat out, flush the salt out of your body. Your body needs water. We need it to operate. So of course it's going to be a healthy, good thing. Another thing is water does not have calories, okay? Stop drinking your calories. Sweet tea, juice, all of that stuff has so many hidden calories. I promise you, go and look on the serving size of a juice, like your favorite juice, lemonade, whatever, and then go and see what servings. Some of the servings be like 2 or 3 servings a bottle, and you're drinking the whole bottle. And so it's 250 calories per serving, but you drunk the whole bottle and it has 2.5 servings. So you see what I'm saying? Don't drink Cokes anymore. I used to be a big Coke person, but even then I drank Diet Cokes, but still they're not that good for you. So I just cut out Coke. So what I do, water or Crystal Light. That's it. Also within that window, you need to kind of focus on eating healthier options, okay? I'm not saying take all your carbs out. I'm not saying do all, I can't eat like that. I don't restrict myself of anything because I feel like that's when I crash and burn. If I do no sugar, no whatever, I crash and burn. When I come back, I'm coming back hard. I'm eating all the bread in the room. I'm eating everything. So I found that kept me from yo-yoing is when I don't deprive myself. My next tip is get moving. You gotta exercise. I know you're looking like, Dakita, I don't want to. No, you got to get in the gym. You got to move your body some way, somehow. Find something. Like for me, I had to find something that I like to do, and I love to spin. Spinning is my favorite exercise. I get on that bike and I zone out. Music is pumping and I'm just in a zone. I love that class. So I joined the Peloton, I got on the apps, and I have my favorite instructors, and it put me into a routine. So I always suggest do something that you like to do. If you like to dance, do Zumba or take a dance class. Those dance classes, I'm telling you, is going to get you in shape. Like if you like to step, do that too. Like do what you like to do, and that's going to jumpstart your thing. If you like to talk with your friends, y'all all go walking. Y'all go walking and together y'all can talk and keep up the pace because walking is a steady state cardio. So you should be able to talk and do all those things. So find what you like to do and do it. Get off that couch and move. If you like to run around with your kids, go to the park 2 or 3 times a day and literally run around that thing or walk around, whatever. Make the time to move. So I hope you guys like these tips. I did say I was going to do them. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, y'all said that that's what you want to see. Also, let me know if you want to see other things outside of just hair. I mean, I know I do hair and all these other things, and I have my wigs and I have my lifestyle and my kids, but I've also had some people ask me about makeup. And beware, I am not a makeup artist. I'm not. So don't come at me like, oh girl, you did not blend that all the way. This is not professional. I'm just showing you if you want another like regular beat. Like, you know, just a little bit of something. So you can go out there and still be cute or whatever. Yeah, so I can incorporate that on my channel as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on my next one.